Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is a brand I never had before. I never heard of them before. It's called Atika. And this one in particular is called Khashab Al Aswad, which in Arabic to English translates the woods, the black woods. So this one is complete blind buy and I don't know anything about them, so I thought I'll give them a try to see how they are. And this one is a Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates. They have quite a extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio, but as I said, this is the first one from them for me, and let's see how it goes. But before I do the unboxing and first impression, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your motivation will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you for your support, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. So this one in the United Kingdom, you can find it under £30. So as usual, the Middle Eastern brands, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price. Big box, attention to detail is nice, and it's got like a smoky, woody look to it, and the bottle is very good looking. So look at this, the bottle is very good looking, all over black with gold writing in it. So far so good. Very heavy bottle. It says Atika Khashab Al Aswad Eau de Parfum 100 ml. This is targeted unisex. The cap is quite heavy. The atomizer is modern and gold. Here we go. Very good atomizer. So far so good. So how is Khashab Al Aswad, which means black woods, by Atika? Here we go. First sniff, first impression. Alright, so first thing it hits me is the saffron. So it's very saffron, it's very spicy. The saffron is making it very pretty. You see, note of saffron is one of those notes or accords in perfume that they have to mix few things together to give you that impression of saffron. So saffron per se is not an oil to put in the perfume, is an accord. That means the few combination of few notes to come up with an impression of saffron, and here they done it very well. So first thing hits me is the saffron. So because the smell of saffron is very familiar to me. I'm from Iran, from the country which saffron come from. You know, this is the country that produces the best saffron in the world, and this has been like this for thousands of years, and we are accustomed to smell of saffron. We use it in so many things, in puddings, in food, and so naturally we Iranian know the smell of saffron when you smell it. Anyway, I digress. Beautiful. So very smooth, very rounded. Again, nothing shouts out, everything in working perfectly together. Apart from that saffron, I get some woody aspects. So it says Khashab Al Aswad, which means the black woods. Yes, I'm getting some woody feel to it, but at the moment the wood is not smoky, it's not barnyardy, it's not funky or anything like that. It's quite a safe wood. Yeah, it's very palatable wood. It's almost for the Western palates. So the wood is here is quite soft, it's quite rounded, it's quite palatable, it's friendly. It's nothing here to give it that animaticness or anything like that. So far so good. Saffron oud. Definitely florals. I smell rose, I smell jasmine, but it's not a typical combination of rose and oud in here, no. The main player at the moment is the saffron. That's the biggest player. After saffron is oud. After oud is the florals. So the florals are right now are in the background, but I can detect them. Little bit of incensey feel to it. Again, not much. It's not huge. It's just a little bit, just giving it that little bit of the smoky feel and giving it a little bit of darkness. But the darkness is not huge at the moment, so it might develop later on, it gets darker. I don't know that, but for now, first impression, first sniff is not super dark. It's quite dark, but it's not super dark. But so far, so good. Spicy tinge to it as well. I'm getting a little bit of cumin, a little bit of that cinnamon as well. But again, they're not super big. They are in the background right now, but I can detect them. Definitely woody, definitely ouded, saffron, floral, spicy, little bit of incensey feel to it. So the coloration and the name is quite appropriate. It is, I'm getting like little bit of black smoky woods, so to some extent is correct, at least for now. Okay, it's, although it leans a little bit masculine because of those woodiness, because of that little bit of smokiness, because of that spiciness, but this kind of fragrances is universal. Anybody can wear it, can, woman and men. There's nothing in here to shout uber masculine or uber feminine. So I would say this is 50-50 in the middle. The only thing is, because it's the first perfume from them, I have to wait and see and give you the update in the next video in terms of performance, because the smell is good, the presentation is good, the price is very good, but is the main question mark is the performance. If the performance is good, we have a good banger on our hand. But for first impression, first sniff, yes, I'm loving it. It's absolutely up my alley. I'm a middle-aged man, I'm a middle-aged man. I love this kind of fragrances anyway, so I'm loving it, and it's very well done. Yeah, so far so good. Let's see how it goes in the next video. I'll let you know. If you know it, if you have it, if you tried anything from this brand, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you liked what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me to make videos like this in future, to bring you these amazing fragrances for amazing prices. And if you want to buy one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the links as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.